my learners. In this session, we will cover input statement. Input statement help us to get the input from the user. We need to give the input statement using following syntax. To get the input, we need to use input as keyword. Let us see how to use input statement. Assign variable equals to input, open bracket, write the statement within quotes and end the bracket. For example, name is equal to input, enter your name. Now, user can enter the name as input. Now, we will see some demo to understand input statement. Next session, we will see basic Python programming concepts. Thank you all.